Okay guys, now I want to show you some basic steps for starting with table tennis. I've got a nice ball here as well as a nice butterfly table tennis racket. Alright, and first of all the hold. Okay, so when you grab it, there are many ways to hold your racket, table tennis racket, but one of the methods I prefer is actually hold it like this. Okay, so this is your backhand and this is your forehand. So forehand and backhand. Alright, now to teach you guys some basic steps, all you need to do first is learn how to control the ball nice. So let me just show it to you quickly. So you must do that exercise quite a lot. Okay, this is your first one. Then you can do the backhand. And then when you get the hang of it, you'll start doing the alternate things. So backhand, forehand. Then you can start doing different tricks when you get to know it. That means twisting the ball slightly. And obviously, I'll show you guys how to start serving and playing with a table after you get that right.